All right, this is a quick unboxing and a quick overview of the Aochuan. Hopefully I'm not butchering that too much. S2, this is a 3-axis gimbal, and you see that it's an industry standard 3-axis gimbal. First impression, great branding. You know, I always love it when companies actually put a little bit of money into the branding presentation. It gives you a sense that they're actually willing to create a quality product. So inside the box is a bag, and inside the bag is going to be the gimbal itself. So not only do you get the gimbal, but it comes with a nice carrying case. It's branded. It has a little pouch here, so if you want to put any extras in there. And then we've got 2 zippers, and inside is the gimbal itself. So you have the gimbal itself. You've got a handle. There are a couple of different USB options, USB-C, micro, who knows, whatever, to fit different phones, because one of the cool things about this gimbal is the fact that it has a built-in microphone and a built-in light. So let's go ahead and get this out. I love the fact that the gimbal head itself is well protected in whatever foam this is. And when you go to take this out for the first time, there are a number of straps. If you don't have really good lighting, they're hard to see because it's black on black. But here is the gimbal itself. This is a 3-axis gimbal. And one of the things you'll notice is that it's got this slide feature here. And this is designed, it takes a little bit of effort to push it, but it is designed to balance your phone. The other thing I had to figure out real quickly is that right now this is set up. Let me get my phone. My phone, by the way, is 3.5 inches wide. So and this fits in here no problem. I do have a case, and I could probably fit it in here with the case itself. But right now it's in selfie mode. So one of the things I learned really early on is that if you turn it, it will go into portrait mode. So one of the first things you'll want to do before you do anything is go ahead and put the tripod adapter on the bottom. You're going to want to get this balance first. And by the way, the feel of everything, while yes, the body's plastic, it just feels robust and that somebody put some effort into it. So I'm really liking it, but I'll go through the features, but let's go ahead and get this balance first. So the idea is that while the phone is on the stand, it should not rock. It should be balanced. So you kind of need 2 hands, and that's the wrong way. See how it's falling faster? So I'm actually going to go the opposite way. Now it's falling the other direction. So I've gone too far. That's pretty close. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. Now, on the front of the device, this is where you're going to have all of your buttons, your joystick. You've got the power, the record. You also have an AB button, USB-C for charging. On the back is a little button. This will do things like flip the phone around and do some other things. This is really cool. This little knobby turny guy here, this is actually for focus control. So when you connect the phone to the device, I can actually adjust the focus remotely, which is really cool. And then you also can digital zoom. So if you've got Zoom on your phone, this will connect via Bluetooth, and you've got Zoom and you've got a cold shoe. So if you want to add a microphone or anything else, even though this has a microphone built in, and the other cool thing it has, by the way, this is locked. It will only turn one way, so you'll want to unlock that. But take a look at this. It's even got a flashlight on the back side of it, or an LED light, I should say. So turning it on, it's just a simple matter of hitting the power button. This unit does come fully charged, or it shows that it's fully charged. And there we go. Now we've got the gimbal, and you can see how easy it is. I can move all these different ways. So speaking of the light, if you want to turn the light on, all I have to do is hit the power button really quickly, and that will turn the light on. And then if I hit it one more time, it gets even brighter. Hit it one more time, and it will turn off. There's also the ability to plug in your phone. You can connect it. Now, in order to get all these features to work with your phone, you will need to download the instruction or their own app, which, by the way, comes with an instruction manual. And inside the instruction manual, there are QR codes in here, so you can find the app really easy. So first impressions, I have not actually recorded with, well, I did a little bit of recording. I've played around with a little bit, but it's quiet, it moves. It's got an adjustable telescoping head, which I haven't even played with that yet. How do we get the, yeah, so we can just pull this out, and now I got a telescoping head. So if I want to do selfies, I just got to flip the camera around and I can start doing selfies. Overall, I am really impressed with the initial build design. I love the extra features of having light. How often have you been in dark places and you need an extra light or something like that? So I'm excited to use this and get to know how to use it even better.